Are you tired of simply being a consumer in the world of e-commerce? Good. Look no further as our video series provides an overview of the information outlined in James Moore's book, Dropshipping, and guides you through the process of establishing your own e-commerce empire. From choosing the right products to finding reliable wholesalers, we will cover all the essential steps you need to take to get started. You will also learn the key factors that make specialty products the best-selling items and the conversion rate of website visitors to buyers. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of having a 1 to 800 number for your business. If you're ready to take the first step towards building your own e-commerce empire, sit back and enjoy this informative video series. Idea number 1. Are you looking for a fun and easy way to make money in the world of e-commerce? Well, you're in luck because dropshipping is the answer. Think about it. Have you ever bought something online, like a hilarious t-shirt, a handy appliance, or an awesome cat toy? And all you had to do was a few clicks, and bam! You got a confirmation email and eagerly awaited your package. Well, you probably didn't buy that item directly from the manufacturer, but instead went through an intermediary to handle your order. That's dropshipping, my friend. And it lets online retailers make money without ever having to touch a single product. So, let's say you want in on this sweet little business. All you need is some initiative and a bit of know-how, and you too can have a profitable dropshipping empire. Here's how it works. You connect customers to products without having a physical store. In traditional retail, a merchant buys a bunch of items and then sells it to customers one by one. But in dropshipping, the merchant doesn't buy the items until they've collected orders. They buy the items on behalf of the customer, at a lower price, and keep the profit difference. For example, you set up an online store selling cat toys for $20 each. A customer orders one toy and pays you $20. You then send the order to a manufacturer or wholesaler who sells each toy for $15. You pay $15, they ship the order to the customer, and you keep the $5 difference. Everyone wins, especially the cat. And the best part is, starting a dropshipping business is super low cost and low stress. No need to buy a huge inventory up front, store products in your home, or even handle the shipping process. Your main responsibilities are processing orders, marketing your online shop, and dealing with customer service issues. But, like with any business, there are some downsides. The world of online retail is vast and competition is tough. And since most dropshipping stores need to keep prices low to attract customers, your profit margins may start small. And of course, you'll have to handle any customer complaints, from shipping snaffus to product issues. That's why it's crucial to partner with the right wholesaler. So, what do you say? Ready to join the dropshipping club? Idea number 2. Ready to start your own dropshipping biz? Great! But before you dive in, let's make sure you find the best dropshipper out there. Think of it like a grocery store. They don't make the products they sell, they just collect them from suppliers and put them on their shelves for you, the customer, to buy. The same goes for your online shop. You gotta find those manufacturers, wholesalers, and suppliers to stock your digital shelves, aka the dropshippers. Finding potential dropshippers is easy. A quick Google search, browsing a business directory, or asking for referrals on social media will give you plenty of options. But choosing the right one takes a little more effort. Here's the deal. For your business to succeed, you gotta find the right dropshipper who can provide quality products at favorable terms. It's like, would you keep shopping at a grocery store with inconsistent and low-quality stock? No way! So it's super important to sift through all the options and find the most reliable one. To do that, you gotta check the cost and service of each business. Look at their rates, including the product prices and any hidden fees like membership fees or restocking charges. Ask for a detailed list of costs if necessary. Evaluating their service quality is a bit trickier, but you can check if they're registered with a regulatory agency like the Better Business Bureau, and how long they've been operating using a domain age checker. Avoid new businesses without an address or strange payment methods. The best way to judge their service? Experience it yourself. Give them a call, ask questions, and place a small test order. If everything goes smoothly and the products are top-notch, chances are your customers will be satisfied too. Idea number 3. If you want to be a success like the one and only Sam Walton, then you gotta get strategic about the products you offer. Remember when old Sam was caught scoping out department store shelves and taking notes like a boss? Well, that's the kind of tenacity you need when it comes to finding your niche in the dropshipping world. The secret to success? Offer the most popular products. Don't try to take on too much too soon. Instead, focus on a few specialized items that you're passionate about. Think cat-themed sweaters or eco-friendly candles. Use your own interests, check out online retail hotspots, and even get inspiration from your friends and family to find what niche products are hot. Once you've got your products and reliable suppliers lined up, it's time to sell. Sure, you can list your items on the big guys like Amazon and eBay, but the competition is tough. Instead, why not set up your own website and build a memorable brand that will stand out? Just keep in mind, starting with low traffic means you'll have to put some effort into marketing. Idea number 4. Are you ready to take your online sales to the next level? Well, listen up because I've got a juicy tip for you. Did you know that the average conversion rate for e-commerce stores is just 1 to 2%? Yup, that means for every 100 visitors to your online shop, only 1 or 2 may actually buy something. Ouch! But don't worry, I've got good news too. All sales start with a strong advertising campaign, and I'm here to help you create one. Gone are the days of advertising in newspapers or buying billboard space. It's time to get creative and take advantage of all the new marketing tools available to us in the online world. First things first, if you're listing your products on big sites like Amazon or eBay, you need to stand out from the crowd. Make sure your product listings are accurate, attractive, and eye-catching. Use descriptive titles that highlight your product's best qualities, provide multiple clear photos, and consider spending some extra cash on upgrades like bold fonts or larger images. But what if you have your own website? No problem. You can still generate traffic by investing in social media marketing and pay-per-click advertising. Choose 2 to 3 platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest and buy some targeted ads. This allows you to target users most likely to buy using the platform's demographic tools. Lastly, don't forget the power of positive reviews. Always solicit feedback from happy customers to show off your shop's sterling reputation. It'll provide your business with much-needed legitimacy and help close future sales. And there you have it, folks. The secret to a successful e-commerce advertising campaign. Get ready for the sales to roll in. Idea number 5. Are you ready to become a dropshipping pro? First things first, we need to make sure all the small details are taken care of before we dive in. Trust me, it'll make the ride so much smoother. So, let's talk about the time and money commitment. You can expect to make about $1,000 to $2,000 a month if you put in 10 to 15 hours a week for a year. But if you're willing to put in a full 40-hour work week, you could potentially make an annual salary of $50,000. But before we start counting our profits, let's make sure we have all the basics covered. Set a budget for your monthly expenses, including startup costs like web hosting and advertising. And don't forget the legal stuff. Depending on where you live, you may need to get an IN, incorporate your company, and sort out your finances. Setting up a separate bank account for your business and connecting it to a commercial PayPal account can save you some headaches in the long run. And to give your business an extra professional touch, consider getting a permanent domain name for your website, an official business email, and even a toll-free 1-800 number. All these small steps will go a long way in making your online business appear more legitimate and trustworthy to customers. Now, let's get started on making that dropshipping money. Idea number 6. Ready to turn your dropshipping biz into a cash-generating machine? Great! Let's get started. So, you've got your products picked, your suppliers lined up, and even set up some fancy bells and whistles like a toll-free number and PPC ads. Nice work! Now it's time to actually start dropshipping. Here's the drill. You get an order from a customer, pass it on to your supplier, and follow up with your customer to make sure they get their package. Easy peasy, right? But wait, there's more. You can take it to the next level by automating your workflow. The key message here is, make more money and save time by automating your workflow. At first, you'll want to be hands-on with each order to really get a feel for the biz. But once you've got the hang of it, you can set up automatic email forwarding to your supplier with all the details: product title, order, shipping address, etc. That way, you can sit back, relax, and just check in every once in a while to make sure everything is running smoothly. Oh, and if anything goes wrong, product out of stock, lost packages, etc., just replace or refund the product. Trust us, it's quicker and will keep your customers happy. And if everything is running like a well-oiled machine, it's time to think about scaling up. Increase your advertising, go after a bigger market, add more products, and even try out more expensive products with higher margins. Before you know it, you'll be building an e-commerce empire and raking in the dough. Summary. The key message of these videos is all about the magic of dropshipping. It's a simple yet powerful e-commerce strategy where you connect customers to suppliers and make money by taking a cut of each sale. All you need to get started is to find a niche product, invest some time and cash in advertising, and optimize your workflow like a boss. With a little effort and patience, you'll soon be scaling up your biz and making serious profits with minimal risk and overhead. Now, let's get to the actionable advice. Diversifying your suppliers is key. Sure, it's tempting to stick with just one supplier for convenience. But even the best suppliers can run out of stock or face unexpected setbacks. That's why it's always smart to have a backup supplier on hand, just in case. Plus, you can boost your efficiency by working with suppliers in different locations. This way, you can send orders to the nearest supplier and save on shipping time. So, diversify, my friend, diversify. But don't just focus on the job at hand. Think long-term and equip yourself with skills and experiences that will offer you multiple career options down the road. Be flexible and open to new opportunities that may come your way. With advancements in technology, new careers will emerge, so keep your eyes peeled and be ready to seize the moment. Now, the insights and knowledge I gained from reading Dropshipping were phenomenal. I highly recommend it. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Trust me, you won't regret it.